I'm about to show you a great way that I make money in my side hustle using two websites, Gelato and Canva Pro, both of them, and how it does not need any great outlay of money to get you started, but it's a great little side hustle and it helps make me money while I sleep, and there's nothing better. But I'm going to run you all through it. Gelato is free. It says right here that it's free website, free to use. Go through it all. Now you have to find yourself a niche. This is my niche. This is what's killing the sales at the moment, is everything Instagram. I can't go wrong. My most famous sales, hundreds of them at the moment, are selling. It's great. We start here on Canva because this is where I'm coming to design what I want to print off on my mugs. So I always go to the Facebook interface. I click on this, go to, when it scroll comes up, go to Facebook cover, because that is the best size template to put all your pictures on and graphics, especially if you're doing a mug, because they're my biggest sales. You sell hundreds while you sleep, and that's my favorite part about this. You might take your time to design something, but you only have to design it once. So I'll go up here and I'm in the middle of trying to get all my Instagram things together, because every social media thing you can find is on Canva, every little icon. So they are free. You don't have to worry about the copyright of Instagram or Twitter. They're all on here. YouTube, everything's in their colors. So I get this done, and that's my template for my next mug. And now we save this to the computer. I'm going really slow today, so you all get to see what's going on. So I might just bypass this part and we'll zip over to Gelato. Okay, we're on the Gelato homepage with you choose your product. They have every product known to man that you can print on. From wall art, I've sold t-shirts, so much phone covers, big variety of the Samsung and iPhone phone covers in here you can do. Yeah, we're going to go down and I'm going to choose my mug. So we'll get that started. Now when you come into the mug section, you're going to see every mug known to man. You have the enamel, the camping mugs, you have your ceramic mugs, you have your thermo mugs, drink bottles, everything you can think of, which is really handy because everything is just money. It will show the prices of each product, each mug, and you put your markup on that. So yeah, you might only get to put $3 on a markup, but if you sell 100 mugs, especially in one day, that's great. Now the other thing that makes Gelato such an incredible website to use is they have printing companies in 22 countries. So when I get an order from New Zealand, they don't have to pay extra postage. It will be printed at the New Zealand company and shipped straight to my customer. I don't have any inventory I have to handle at home. I don't have any junk that I have to have all stored or stocked at my home. It's done straight from the company. They look after your customer. Your customer pays your money to you, and you will pay it to the company. Also, the great thing about these shops is they're already pre-set up for you. Everything is done. The description of your mugs, that's just a copy and paste in. They're just so easy. Everything about Gelato, from wall art. If you're having trouble getting sales, start doing personalised things. Wedding pictures, pet pictures, baby pictures. Everyone loves to have personalised items. This is just a demo of how the cups turn out when you get your 3D view on Gelato before you put them up for sale. I always give them a view over, and that's another great view. They're mock-ups they have. You have all the mock-up pictures supplied by Gelato. Again, they're just a copy and you can put on any website to help sell them. I use all these pictures on my eBay sales, and they just sell like hotcakes. As soon as you've made your picture, Gelato, they just throw you the mock-ups and they make your sales so easy to do. You don't have to take the photos yourself. It just makes life so much easier. Yeah, and there's your templates. And then bam, I end up with them on eBay and they sell like hotcakes. So good luck in everyone's attempt at doing this, but if you get the right niche, the pictures, the quotations, whatever it is people are wanting, if you have a sports team and you want to put your logo on there, they're just great presents for everyone. Christmas time, great Christmas parties, put the boss, yeah, on the cups, yeah, great mug, yeah. But you get the idea. You can make money so easily using this system. Enjoy!